I bring you greetings from the most respected monarch in the world. The Omonoba Nedo Uku Akbolopolo Ogetigan. Oba Tokbae. That's not the true one, the right to name put. For special recognition, money had this period. DJ, God bless you for the maximum love and support towards M.O.P's career. Mona clap for DJ Abeg. One thing I love about him is the only man in this Lagos who know they cheat on his wife, except the wife travel. Yeah, no, however, you know right though, this Lagos now get my there. Douglas, don't follow big men sit down. That does not make you a big man. You know how many poor men the full bank still come out like that? The guy just relax. Lagos, now they crazy so. Edopikin call Lagos, Edopikin call Lagos. Very place. This Lagos, I never see place like this. If you piss, you don't go know whether you flush or you no flush. The piss and the water are the same color. Tell this Lekki. Yes, now. Lagos. And now this Lagos girl go do fake nyash. Should I get mind? How you as a girl, you do fake nyash. They want buy motor for you, they look for first body. No, now wisdom at the drop. I know the hurry man. I don't know maybe the last person. Lagos, where two twins come up for Enugu. They come up for Enugu, one call hustle. Two musicians, twins, so they reach Lagos. One first, one blow because of hold up. Wisdom. Now later you get the collector of it. Nigeria don't have to say everybody now. By this time, for terror culture before, by this time, everybody don't go house. Who want go house now? Who want go on diesel? You know how you want to go on diesel? You know how much for diesel? Oh, I don't need to clap. You know when last you want to go on your AC? AC get a free AC. Nobody. M.O.P, you don't need to tell anybody stay. Now like we go stay. You know heat where they outside there. Heat everywhere. About the charge of heat. The heat where this country now be like waiting the plug for stabilizer. If you see heat, that's why no artist fit drop any heat. Now God heat the rain. All artists need to wait for rainy season to rain again. I know they do the usual. Heat day everywhere now. Bros, you know say now you go bank heat don't they so they bank they full. Nobody they pay, nobody they withdraw. Man can't rest. Bank go full, heat everywhere. Hold on now, update. Oh, don't worry. Not be this guy, be this way they say, wait, casino say, no, they make noise just now. Alpha. Hello, bro. I beg. Casino na Jew, me na Curtis, I beg. I beg, no make noise again, I beg. Okay, now you they in charge of her. When did they misbehave? Okay, now this guy. I beg. Joke they good when people they listen, I beg, though. Madam, carry on. Where your wife? I do. I'm going through a lot, too. How long have you been in this problem? You don't rest for this country. This country, every year don't rest. Nigeria not a good country. This country where the steep it will be mandate. He go court, the thief phone. Who they find mandate? Who they find mandate, they find phone. My leader, see, this life, my brother, this life, you need to make money. Some boys going to tell you money is not everything, Listen to me, money is everything. As a boy, if you get girlfriend, now you they buy ice cream, but another man they make them scream. I not just the crowd joke, you must carry something, go house. Some people go tell you, I don't get money, I get big blockers. It's not my blockers. Blockers when don't get money, na Dido. Well, listen to me, not to the laugh for you now. They laugh. Listen to me. Let me tell you the difference. Okay, you know how this man fresh. Let me tell you the difference between who get money and who no get money. If you get money, you give get belle. Mistakenly, the guy go call you. Hello, James. I'm pregnant for you. You go there. You say it's not my baby. You say it's your baby. It's not my baby. It's your baby. But poor, when you give get belle, the first thing you hear, hello, wisdom. You have ruined my life. Poverty is a disease. Listen, not today. But Nigeria don't have though. Nigeria, one of my guys who be say for NYC, that time for NYC, now the guy always the guy they show himself that won't finish for NYC. That the guy they give a secretariat key, they give everybody room. You know, give me room now. 2 years ago, I go fix POP for my house. The guy don't know say after POP go fix POP. That's my senior man campaign. With the drop out auto. These people they pick intelligent joke. That's why I like it. They go school now. That's why I like it culture. As you drop one joke for year, as you go back, they go pick and try for Benin. Benin as you drop joke, as you go back, then go back. If you can't laugh, you make the face a joke. Hey, don't say, hey, wait till they do this one. Benin too rugged. Don't be casting the church. Benin boys, they don't believe anything. No. Benin boys don't believe say anything they read. Like Uber come Benin, Uber work for Benin. Oh, Uber work for 4 years. Uber don't make 1 naira. Benin boys don't believe say Uber don't come Benin. They go order Uber. Uber go call. They say he they work. No, I tell you. Oh no worry. Now, last time I meet there full ground. Now maybe the last person 4 hours a day. This is work day this country. Work day. No work. This one here. You need like 290 come with the whole camera with 2 hands. Don't work now. Work no day. Who plus the one video anybody? Douglas, you talk about marriage. You don't see things for marriage. How long have you been married? 4 years. No, I mean rightfully because I know if you give my belly before you marry. Rightfully. Okay, rightfully 5 years. Okay, now they say, let's play the call. Be my colleague. For 5 years. Marriage, if you are here, you are a young man, you are not married, you get married in Jesus' name. No man must go unpunished. Yes, now what are they marriage? See, you know say when you marry, my brother, listen to me. You know say when you marry, you need to meet up. When you marry, like children day. Now when you marry, you know say fuck my work. Anywhere you talk to now your wife did there. Anywhere, that's why married man no they use until they see root. If they just see water way dirty, if they work. Marriage, hold on now to the marriage. And you know say the way our generation takes sex, we sex for this generation. Our fathers, now normal style our fathers do. See what our fathers do. Normal missionary style. They don't old now. See the way our fathers see the worker. For normal missionary style, you see the way our parents say the worker. With what we do with our ways. If we don't old, if you just say one. Hold on. They went. One more. Hold on. With the sex.
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.